Bowood House and Gardens. Start from the car park, and as you go in, you can see all the entry times and prices. At the very beginning, where you pay, you can also go to the cafe. So we got myself a drink and some food. The food here is actually really good. I really enjoyed the soup. You also pick up a map so you can see where to go. It tells you how long the walk is, so you can sort of figure out you need a couple of hours here. We're going to start off by walking in front of the house and looking around the scenery. Now we can go inside the house and look around. There are 3 floors, but I still think it wasn't that big. Information is posted around, it's also on large prints as well, and there's one staff at the beginning who's got quite a lot of information and tells you quite a lot about the places. At the end, there are toilets and a souvenir shop. We can now head towards the walled garden, however along the way you go past the playground, so I'm going to check this out first. It's pretty high up, you've got to climb on like these metal ladders. This thing that you walk on is very wobbly. There are 2 strings on the side that you can hold, however if you were to fall, you'll land in the ropes, and then you need to somehow pull yourself back out or have someone help you up. Now, throughout this whole time, in general, there is no staff or anyone to help you. This makes the playground quite dangerous. There are 3 main slides here of different steepness levels. This is the steepest one, but if you put your feet against the side, you go a bit slower. There are some extra things on the side with smaller slides that curl around, and we've also got this little ship in the background. There are 3 things in front of us. We're going to start on the left-hand side. We've got the space dive. This is very, very scary. I could not go down that slide, so I went on the little tunnel one, ended up over here, and there's a little first aid section here. Middle thing is a giant trampoline. This was pretty fun. And last section is this little rocking boat. We have now made it to the walled garden. There are 3 sections. After the walled gardens, you want to follow the signs down this steep little section through this little jungle type thing towards the waterfall. When you get there, you're actually on the wrong side of it. To get on the other side, which is very beautiful, you need to go through this really dark tunnel and you cannot see anything. You need to use your phone flashlight. Finally, as you follow along the lake, you get to the temple. You can continue walking forward, which is a forest, or you can now head back to the beginning. At the very beginning, there's a little area just for young children. Overall, I really enjoyed my visit. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!